Hi, and welcome to a short video that I've put together for you to see how to uninstall OneLaunch from your Windows 11 personal computer. So, as with any other legitimate software on Windows 11, OneLaunch is super easy to uninstall and remove. We, of course, as a team are sorry to see you go, but completely understand OneLaunch is not for everybody. So we want to make it super easy for you to remove us if that's what you'd like to do. So first and foremost, go down to the Start icon, the Start button on your Windows 11 taskbar. Click on it, and in the search, just search for your Settings app. So after you've typed in Setting, Best Match, here it is, your Settings app. Click on the Settings app, and that will open. And once you're in the Settings app on the left side here, the left rail, go to Apps. Just going to click on Apps, and once you're in the App section of the Settings app, click through to the top option here, Apps and Feature, for installed apps, etc. So Apps and Features, and now in the app list you'd be able to search for it. See here, OneLaunch, or also very quick, you could just scroll down alphabetically and find OneLaunch in the drop down. So here's OneLaunch. Once you've found OneLaunch, simply click the three-dot menu, also known as the kebab menu. And once you've clicked on that, you'll see the option immediately to uninstall. And you guessed it, simply click uninstall. There's a warning prompt just to confirm you want to uninstall OneLaunch. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. That's what you want. Yep, uninstall. Click uninstall. Another warning from us, this is our software, just making sure you want to completely remove OneLaunch and its components. Yes, we do. And so just like that, the uninstaller runs, and you can see we've been removed from the top of your PC. Here's the progress bar, and you get the prompt just confirming success. Yes, OneLaunch was indeed successfully removed from your computer. Okay, and of course, you can see it's gone from the top, but you're able to search for it. There's nothing here. OneLaunch, oops, spelling mistake there. It is no longer present on your PC. So that's it. Again, we'd love to hear from you on why you uninstalled and why you didn't want to use OneLaunch further. To let us know, please email us at support@onelaunch.com, which we'd love to hear those reasons. Also, if you have any issues with the video instructions here, you can go to our knowledge base or onelaunch.com/uninstall to find written instructions as well as an uninstall helper. So, yep, we're here and ready to help you remove OneLaunch if that's what you'd like. Thank you very much and hope you have a great day.